right, we're about to take off on our bikes. They're really heavy. We've got all these bags strapped to them. I don't know if you can see. It's pretty cool. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna camp the whole way down the trail, and we're taking you with us, you and our GoPro. See ya. We're in Old Town, Maryland, and we're at the schoolhouse kitchen, which is actually a kitchen that's in an old schoolhouse, an abandoned, looks like a high school. And you can go in there and eat cafeteria food in the real school cafeteria. Pretty cool.
We're at Town Creek Hike and Bike Campsite. We're right on the side of the Potomac River. We've biked about 22.5 miles today. We ate dinner in a crazy school cafeteria, and we're pretty excited to see what's in store for us down the trail.
The C&O Canal Trail is just right up there. We rode our bikes down this really cool hill, and we got down to this beautiful little spot where you can only access, it's like a campground spot, and you can only access it by bike, which is pretty cool. And we've unloaded all of our stuff, and we've set up camp, and right now I'm working on finding a snack.
Heading onto a wet and rainy C&O Canal.
I have a flat.
First flat of the trip.
We're at the Pawpaw Tunnel, and we're getting ready to head into the darkness.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
It's like right at the beginning, this giant snake fell off the ledge across the river and started beelining right
When
towards
she says giant, that means it's like this big.
We're on this funny little boardwalk thing. It's kind of rotten. Woohoo, C&O!
Today was our second day on the trail, and we went almost 25 miles, which is 3 better than yesterday, so we're getting better every day. It felt kind of long and super flat. We just had to keep pedaling all day long, but we got to this great place, Bill's Place, and had dinner, and now we're settling in this beautiful place for the night, so pretty stoked about that.
My butt hurts. What are you doing?
Eating salad.
What are you mostly doing?
Looking at my phone because we finally have power.
Fettuccine Alfredo with chicken, Backpacker's Pantry, their chefs, our kitchen. It's pretty awesome.
We are at McCoy's Ferry right now. We just biked 30 miles on the C&O Canal. I'm a little tired and I'm a little sore, but we had a really good day today. Feeling pretty good. I'm surprising myself with how strong I am on my bike.
The last time we rode bikes was 9 months ago. And so maybe 185 miles was a bit ambitious without training. But you know, I figure we'll just train the first few days of the ride and then we'll enjoy the last few days of the ride.
And so we've been setting up our tents and it's been very secluded. We've been all by ourselves and we are now in a campground tonight, which has there's a big group of Boy Scouts over there, and it's a little weird seeing cars, not that we haven't been seeing cars, but camping around other people who have real food and stuff like that is a little weird.
So we are at mile 84. That means we have gone 100 miles on this bike ride, and we're getting stronger every day. It's feeling good. We're gonna make this.
What's been the hardest part?
The pain in my behind.
Yeah, I think me too.
Yeah, but it's been gorgeous. It's been super fun, and I don't know, I didn't know if we could ride this far, and I think we're gonna pull it off, so that's cool.
Yeah. This is Marble Quarry Hiker Biker Camp, and Abby's about to pump some water. Okay, we're in some town here. I think it's Georgetown.
I think we're lost.
And the trail just ended right here. There's a building in the way.
Is this mile 0?
This is how I've been navigating.
Yay, we found it!
Let's ride. It's very hard to follow the towpath when there's a building on the towpath. We'll see if we can get on the towpath down here, but right now we're kind of lost in Georgetown. It's kind of a culture shock from being out in the woods as much as we have. Now we're riding around a city. Woohoo! This looks like a towpath. There's a sign pointing right at us that says C&O Canal that points this way.
This is it. Did we do it? We did it.
Man, I don't know. This is kind of anticlimactic. We're in like a stinky intersection. But I think we've just ridden the C&O Canal. I'm gonna check my map for verification, but it says 0.3 to go.
So which way do you think we go?
I think we found them where we need to be, but the road doesn't take us there. And then to the left. Okay, these kind of look like our people. Whoa, we found it. Man, they hide this thing. We made it to mile 0. It's a little hard finding the last little bit here, but we found it. It's behind a boathouse, and there's just a marker stuck in the dirt. But we made it. Famagogo out.